Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Right? First of all, we know the divisibility rule of 11. We will use the property of divisibility of 11. Here you see the number is 9 to the number is 9 2 dash 3 8 9. Here suppose we don't know the number. Suppose we take one number, that is suppose it is a, right? Now we will find the sum of the digits at odd places. Sum of the digits at odd places. Sum of the digits at odd places is equal to, here it is odd place, this is first place, this is first, this is the first place, this is second, this is third number, this is fourth place, this is the fifth place, and this is the sixth place. Right? Now we will find the sum of the digits at odd places. Odd places is, you see, this is odd place, first place, third place, and fifth place. Right? We add all the numbers, that is 2 plus 3 plus 9. Then we are getting 9 plus 2 11 plus 3 is 14. I will find sum of the digits at even place. Sum of the digits at even places. Now what we are getting, this is even place, this is second place, fourth place, and sixth place. Right? If we add all the numbers, we are getting 9 plus a plus 8. 9 plus 8, that is 17 plus a. Now we will find the difference. What is the difference? You see, difference is, we will find the difference. Difference is equal to 17 plus a minus 14. Now 17 minus 14 is equal to 3 plus a. This is the difference. Right? Now what is the divisibility rule? The divisibility rule is that the difference should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. If you take it as 0, suppose we are taking this as 0, that is 3 plus a is equal to 0. It should be either 0 or multiple of 11, right? That means if we find the value of a, it is equal to minus 3. But minus 3 is not applicable in this case, right? This is not applicable, right? This is not applicable. We cannot put minus 3 here. We have to put only positive numbers. Let us take another, suppose 3 plus a, suppose we take it as 11, right? Now if we take 11, then the number will be a is equal to 11 minus 3, that is 8, right? Therefore the value we got here is 8. Here you see, that means the value here will be 8. That means 9 to 8, 3, 8, 9. This is the solution of A. Again we are repeating once again, that is the number is 9 to dash 389. We have put in place of dash, that is A, we have find the sum of the digits at odd places, that is 2 plus 3 plus 9, that is equal to 14, and sum of the digits at even places, that is 9 plus a plus 8, that is 17 plus a. If we find the difference, that is 17 plus a minus 14 is equal to 3 plus a. Now we got that what is the divisibility rule? The divisibility rule is that the difference should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Now if we take the difference as 0, that is 3 plus a is equal to 0, then a is equal to minus 3. But you cannot put here the number my negative here. Only you have to put the positive number. Therefore, minus 3 is not applicable in this case. And the next number is 3 plus a is equal to multiple of 11, or the nearest number is 11. We put it here as 11. Right? Now, if we put 11, then we are getting 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. If we put more than 11, suppose 3 plus a, the next number is 22. Here you see 2 11 is 22, that is 22. Then we are getting a is equal to 22 minus 3. That means we are getting that is 18. 19, that is 22 minus 3 is 19. But here we are finding 2-digit number, right? This is also not applicable. That means we have to put this one, that is 8, right? Therefore the value is 9 to 8, 3, 8, 9. This is the solution of question number A. Now we'll do the next problem, that is question number B. We'll solve question number B. Now you see question number B. Question number B is, in the same way we will solve this problem. That is, the number is 8 dash 9 4 8 4. Now this is the first digit, first. This is the second digit, 8 is the second digit. This is second. This is third digit, third. This is fourth digit, fourth. This is the fifth digit, fifth. And this is the sixth digit, right? Now if we add the some of the digits are even odd places, that is first, you have to do first, third and fifth. Suppose we have taken one number, suppose the number is a, right? Therefore sum of digits at odd places, sum of the digits at odd places. Sum of the digits at odd places is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus a. This is equal to 4 plus 4, that is 8 plus a. Now we'll find some of the digits at even places. sum of the digits, sum of the digits, sum of the digits at even places is equal to, you see, the even place is second place, fourth place and sixth place, right? That means you have to add 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9 plus 8. What you are getting is 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 8, 17 plus 8 is equal to 25. Now we are writing here 25. Now difference is, you have to find the difference between the numbers. Difference is equal to 25 minus 8 plus a, or we can say it here as 25 minus 8, 25 minus 8 minus a, or 25 minus 8 minus a, that is 7 on 17 minus a, right? Now we know that for the divisibility of 11, the difference should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Now if we take 8 as 0, suppose the difference is 17 minus a is equal to 0, then a is equal to 17. But here we have got two numbers, two digit number. Therefore, this is not applicable. This number is not applicable. We have to find only one digit number, right? This is not applicable. Now, applicable. This number is not applicable. Now, if we take 17 minus a, 17 minus a is equal to 11, then what we are getting? A is equal to 17 minus 11. That is, it is 6. Right? This is the exact number. Therefore, we can say that 8, 6, 9, 4, 8, 4 is the number which is divisible by 11. Let us repeat once again. First of all, we have taken in place of dash it is a, and we have got all the places, that is first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place. After that we have found the sum of the digits at odd places. Odd places is first, third and fifth, that is 4 plus 4 plus a. This is the odd places. And sum of the digits at even places is second, fourth and sixth, that is 8 plus 9 plus 8, that is 25. If we find the difference, that is 25 minus 8 plus a, or 25 minus 8 minus a, that is 17 minus a. We know the difference should be either 0 or multiple of 11. Here we find if the difference is 0, that is 17 minus a is equal to 0, then a is equal to 17. But here we got two digit number, but this is not possible in this case. Therefore, 17 minus a is equal to 11, then a is equal to 17 minus 11, that is 6, right? If we take multiple of 11, that is if we take 22, again then we are getting two digit number. Therefore, that is also not possible. Therefore, the exact number is 6. This is the solution of question number B. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.